Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to ASTRA 2022 program presented by AKKA IAS Academy. In this particular video, I'll be dealing with few of the basic concepts related to data interpretation. So let's begin. So data interpretation. So what is this data interpretation? In most of the quantitative aptitude problems, the question will be like they'll be given a certain data, okay? They'll be giving a certain value and they will ask you to find the solution, okay? Some problem they will be given and some solution they will ask you to find out, okay? So what is this data interpretation is, the data shall not be directly given, okay? It shall be represented through few different types. The data shall be represented based upon first thing is based upon bar graphs, okay? Bar graphs or pie charts or line graphs, or else tabular column. Okay, there shall be a huge data. That data will be represented in one of these four different formats, okay? And then the question will be based upon this data, okay? This data given in through these different types of representation. See, for example, I'll say in a particular city in 2020 there was 100 population, okay? 100 number of population. In that 100 number of population, actually 70 were male and 30 were female, okay? It was in 2020, okay? So in 2022, it was in 2020 the population was 100 city A, okay? In that 70 male population was there and 30 female population was there, okay? So in 2022 the population rises to say 500, okay? Just assuming that, okay, in span of 2 years the population rises to 500, and the male and female ratio will be 3:2, okay? See, this kind of data you will be encountering in the problem, and the question will be what is the population increase. So what is the population increase from 2020 to 2022? It can be of one question here. Or else what is the ratio, what is the male population in 2022, okay? And what is the female population in 2022? See, these different kinds of question they will be asked, okay? This data shall be represented in either tabular format. This is the tabular format, okay? I'm telling you, this is the tabular format. It shall be represented in a pie chart. Pie chart means actually what will be there, a circle will be there. In that they will be giving percentages, okay? They'll split like this, and 22% and 30% and 40%, like that the different percentages will be there. This is known as pie chart, okay? And this is a tabular column. And in bar graph, what you will be expecting is there will be x and y axis, and there will be the bar graph, okay? Here values are there and here also values will be there, and the graphs will be represented like this. So you need to analyze these data and solve the problems, okay? And see here guys, actually this data interpretation questions, actually it's not a new concept, okay? This data interpretation is based upon the earlier concepts what I have dealt with. That it may be of ratio and proportion, it may be of percentages, okay? It may be of averages, okay? And also profit and loss. See here, simple mathematical calculations only will be applied for this data interpretation question, okay? So in the upcoming video, what I'll do is I'll solve few of the questions based upon all these types, okay? Bar graphs, pie charts and tabular column. See friends, here I'll take up an example here, okay? In the next page I'll be taking up an example, and I'll explain how these data interpretation questions works on, okay? So moving on to the next page. See here, if at all there is a data, okay, year is there, and a plantation of banyan tree is there, and neem tree plantations is there, and teak tree plantation is there. Just consider it, okay? It's year 2013 and 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017 and 2018. See, these are the different years. Okay, so the given data will be in 2013, some 30,000 banyan tree have been planted by the government. Similarly, in 2013, 25,000 not this 25,000 neem tree have been planted. Okay, 25,000 neem tree have been planted by the government. In the similarly, teak tree have been planted 15,000. Okay, so in 2030 it shall be 35,000 and 30,000 and 5,000. Okay, similarly 35,000, 45,000, 35,000, 45,000 and 10,000. See friends, actually this is the data given in the tabular column. Okay, see here, based upon this tabular column, questions might be actually find the respective, or see, one of the questions might be like find the ratio between number of neem trees planted in the year 2015 and the number of banyan trees planted in the year 2014. See, this is the question here. Based upon this data, we need to answer this question. So what the question states, we need to find the ratio. What ratio we need to find? Ratio between neem trees planted in the year 2015 to the banyan trees planted in the year 2014. Okay, so number of neem trees planted in 2015 is, okay, neem trees planted in 2015 is, based upon the chart, that is 45,000. Yes or no? So number of banyan trees planted in 2014 is 35,000. So we need to find the ratio. Okay, so it is nothing but 45,000 divided by 35,000. Okay, simple calculation, 0 0 0 cancels, 45 upon 35, the ratio will be 5 9s are 45 and 5 7s are 35. Okay, so 9:7 is the ratio here. See, so such calculations the questions will be asked. Okay, so what is the increase in the plantation, or what is the total average in between 2013 or 2014 to 2018, what is the average plantations of the banyan tree to the neem tree? Okay, what is the ratio? Like such kinds of questions you will be expecting here, guys. So this is it for this this video. In the next upcoming video, I'll be solving 7 different questions based upon this data interpretation and 3 reading comprehension questions. So thank you guys, thank you for staying such long. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. God bless you all. We shall catch up in the next video. If at all you find this video informative, kindly do like and subscribe to our channel. Like and comment in the comment section.